In theory, conventional car door check fittings fulfill the demands made on them and comply with safety standards. In daily use, however, that's not always enough. Every driver knows the problem, especially when parking in confined spaces or when you're in a hurry. Damage is pre-programmed. Why is this? The job of the door check is to control opening and closing the door. But when opening doors with a conventional check fitting, they tend to spring uncontrolled from one setting to the next because there are virtually no intermediate positions. This demonstration with a spring balance clearly shows the variation in forces acting on the door, and that's what causes the uncontrolled movements. In practice, especially when parking in a confined space, it's virtually impossible to hold the open door in an intermediate position. It jumps uncontrolled to the next setting. When parking on an incline, conventional car door checks can be a problem. Depending on how steep the gradient is, the open door can slam shut. And, as this demonstration shows, when a heavy car door slams shut without anything to break the force, it can result in serious injuries. Now there's a solution to the problem. Springstopp, the self-braking car door check fitting of the future. Exchanging a conventional door check for a Springstopp couldn't be simpler and requires no alterations to the bodywork. Doors fitted with Springstopp open smoothly and progressively. The necessary force remains virtually constant over the whole distance. When the door reaches its maximum opening width, movement stops gently of its own accord. In everyday situations, Springstopp allows the door to be opened smoothly without it engaging in fixed settings exact to the centimetre. The door can be opened to its maximum width and holds in any position in between, reliably eliminating the problem of knocking against the neighbouring car or wall and damaging paintwork or denting the edge of the door. Parking on a slope is also much safer with the Springstopp. Even on a steep incline and with low retention force, the door only closes slowly. The demonstration shows that should a finger be jammed between the door and the frame, the risk of a serious injury is considerably reduced. So, how does this unique system work? It works on a purely mechanical basis, is unaffected by temperature, is maintenance-free, and lasts as long as the lifetime of the car. The few mechanical components of the Springstopp are manufactured on modern CNC machines. Premium-grade materials, such as stainless steel and wear-resistant plastics, guarantee quality and reliable operation. Springstopp is the only self-braking door fitting on the market which doesn't require any alterations either to the door or bodywork when exchanging the conventional door check. An ideal product for the retrofit market. Installation couldn't be simpler. First, the original door check must be removed. The Springstopp placed in position, and mounted, making use of the original drill holes and bolts. Done. Despite the confined space available with Springstopp, the driver doesn't need to worry about damage to the bodywork anymore. Irrespective of how wide the door is opened, it'll remain in that position. The Springstopp is cost-effective, maintenance-free thanks to premium-grade materials, can be retrofitted in numerous vehicles in a matter of minutes, and offers your customers increased comfort and safety. Springstopp, the safe, self-braking car door check fitting.